install today.
This is from Geno's garage. This is pretty cool. Sunglasses. Cummins sticker. Catalog. Alright, the important stuff here is the spin-on filter, which I'm going to take the plastic piece out and put in a metal one. This is the Sump filter. Oh, trust me, that's the Sump filter. And then a gasket. This is all Mopar parts. Should be. We better check and make sure. Mopar branded. We'll see. Oh yeah, this is too. I think I've learned my lesson about buying cheap stuff. This also has the washer in here. They're up inside there. I'll replace that. All right. So, missed the entire draining of the pan because I got a new gimbal and I don't know how to use it. But anyway. A new pan has 10mm bolts instead of the 8 that we took out. Got the gasket on there, and I think it works like the last time I did this. I can stick these up. Oh, it doesn't hold. That is a bummer. This is a sensor input that we cap. It's a 5mm. Let's get this out. It's going in here. Be a new drain plug, which is going to make this job so much easier next time. It's magnetic, which is nice. Okay, let's put that on. Yeah, 15. This one's 25 foot-pounds. So that's as low as my one goes. So we'll see how that goes. Why is that not going on? Okay, that's it. Let's get up in here. 65 inch pounds on these. Last thing is the scoop. And then we gotta fill it. There's something else. That the little plastic washer thing. The small end goes up. There's the scoop. Okay, let's get this out of here. I'm gonna add 3 extra quarts on this bad boy. Make sure. Yeah, I'm gonna start it. See where we're at. I put 10 quarts in there. I think that's gonna do it. Um, it might need a little more at some point, but it looks pretty good. So we'll call that a wrap. There it is.